very quickly back to the recipe of gougères. You need to bring beer, milk, butter and salt to the boil in a large saucepan. Turn the heat down, add flour, stir until the dough comes together smoothly, and then remove from the heat, let the dough cool, stirring occasionally to let heat out. Let it cool long enough that the eggs won't cook when you work them in. You work them in at one at a time, and then once you've got a beautiful dough, you can put it into a pipe, just one of the sort of cake-making pipes, and then put out little balls of joy, as I like to call them, and sprinkle on the remaining cheese and bake for about 5 minutes at 220 degrees centigrade. Turn the oven down to 180 and cook for a further 20 to 25 minutes, and out come these gorgeous little delicacies. Chou pastry, cheese puffs, and they're really tasty. So at JHB Foodie Cyclist on Instagram to find that and all of the recipes. Declan's told me that Gougeres was born in Lyon, so not really that close to the home of the Strumpf, but at the same time could potentially explain why he's jumped out in the break today.